Jumper, open, short, rebound, box out. Kuha sa Sagay, fake, open shot. Too strong, rebound, box out, it's good. One a shot by Sagay, second. Bang! 30 key. Standby lang guys, mga tayo may iba na relax higad. Nanood na lang ng Manapla versus Sagay. Fake, double fake, fly by, it's good. 6-4 5-6. Inside, extra to extra. Bang! Back to back, no? 7-5 guys, score, no? Back to back basket ni si Balus. Cut in. Extra pa, extra board. Open sa rebound, open jump. Bang! Nothing but net. 6-7 ang score. Transition play, Aliop, sobra. Pareho lang may daya, walang tawag. Aliop, hesitation, traveling. Traveling ang tawag guys, no? Si Balos guys, no? Si Balos Brothers diskarte. One ball inside, side step, it's good. Oled, baseline. Pasabit, no? Foul guys. Score guys 9-7, no? Favor Sagay. 9-8, 9-8. 10-8 guys, 10-8. Manapla. Inside, double pump. Bang shot, it's good. Cutting inside, brother to brother. Ang tandem. 11. Oled. May foul, no?
Ano naman yan? Ingkit na.
Ten 11 guys, 10-11 sa likod na.
Madala ka na sa pagka.
Brother to brother, no? Baseline, inside. Sayang, no? Ang undernet. Score guys 10-11, no? Favor Manapla. Race to 15. 30 key ang foot. Spin mob. Huli. Foul, no? May sundot sa likod. Smooth lang ang sundot, kuhaan sa. No good, no good. Play ball guys, ha? Aliyo play. One a shot, no? 12-10. Manapla guys, no? Aban si Manapla duha. Spin move. Double team. Bali nagapak lang lamok. Short. Manapla guys, diskarte na. Aliyop na naman. Suki sa ilalim. Foul, no? Foul.
Tita nung guys, init mo na Japon.
Sobra. Play ball guys, no? Inside. Side step. It's good.
Kita ko na pabugnaw. May kapangyarihan.
11 to guys, 11 to. Last 3 kontra last 4. Kick. Sit up. Screen. Kick out pass. Inside. Bang shot. It's good. 13-11.
Ano?
Sagay guys, diskarte na. Inside. Foul na, may sundot sa likod. Inside. Body. Foul guys, foul. Play ball guys, play ball. It's good. Gualis guys, 3 no? Chills angle ta guys. Baseline is good. Under it guys. Easy basket na. 1 meter lang distance. Pang last ball to. Diri lagi ko balhin kay sarang to watal batag. Inside. And 1. It's good. What a ball game guys. Score. Iguales 4. Guys, play ball. Score iguales 14. Last ball kontra last ball. Sagay City versus Manapla. 30k ang Fatmane. Shout out guys. Shout out sa taga Bacolod guys no. Sa Luping ko, Kabayaw, Mansilingan. Boto na span. Shout out na sa inyo guys no. Madamo gid. Salamat. Sa Manila, shout out na sa taga Manila. Screen to screen guys no, pareho. Pagwaan lang ang bola. Play ball guys, iguales 14. Manapla ball, diskarte. Pick out, fake, fly by, short, rebound, kuha sa nakaputi. May foul guys no? May call nga foul after yes ang rebound sa dalong. Last ball guys no? Too strong. Both team guys no? May chance ha? Ang bola ara sa Sagay. Jumper open, short, rebound, box out. Kuha sa Sagay, fake, open shot. Too strong, rebound, box out, it's good. One a shot by Sagay City. Bang! 30 Wow. Nice game, nice game.